Are you struggling to put eye drops inside your eyes? Do you blink just about every single time? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to go over 3 easy tips to help you put those eye drops inside your eyes. And I think the third tip is probably the most important one of all. So let's begin. Number 1, chin up, look up. A chin up position gets your head in the ideal position. Looking up lifts your upper eyelid out of the way, increasing the surface area for the drops to get inside your eye. Number 2, eyelids down. Again, pulling the lower eyelids down increases the surface area for the drops to hit. It also creates what I call the comfort pocket. The cornea is extremely sensitive. By aiming down here, you avoid that sensitive cornea and the eye drops won't hurt your eyes when you put them in. Number 3, look back. By rolling your eyes back, you do one critical thing. You get your line of sight out of the way. Many people blink as soon as they see the eye drop coming towards them. So, by rolling your eyes back and looking back, you don't see the eye drop coming. And it also increases the chance of you putting that drop into that comfort pocket. And now with those 3 tips, putting eye drops should be so much easier. Now, if you have eye pain or blurred vision, you could be having dry eyes. So take a look at this video right over here. And don't forget, as always, your eyes tell. We'll see you in the next one.